Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a simple box. We make boxes here, different sizes, different shapes for a variety of different customers using a whole bunch of different materials. In this case here, I just had some scrap plywood and I needed a small box to put just various little things into it. And what I wanted is something that I wasn't stuck with a hinge. So in this case here, as you can see, it's just a hinge that basically just fits right in, and I could open it and close it, or I could just take it completely off. Normally what we do with customers is that we mask the surface, but for me, in the shop, I don't really care. I kind of like the smoky sort of outline that is produced by our laser, so I just let that be the, I guess, the coloring of the box. The box is just a standard size, nothing really special. But it's been, I custom designed it for my exact requirements, which is really nice. So I'm not stuck to fit into any specific mold regarding materials, regarding utensils or anything else that I put into here. It just fits perfectly for what I intended for it to be. So what we're going to do now, we'll take a look at our industrial laser cutting out this box. That's pretty much all of my designs are made to be flat pack, which means that when you mill them out, they're all flat. They're not 3D like this. That's how I designed this as well. So what I did is all the pieces are flat, so they're just 2D shapes, and they're just put together. The nice thing about this is that it saves a lot for our customers for shipping, because this would just fit in a flat package. And when the customer receives it, then what they can do, they can paint it, they can glue it together, they can nail it if they want. Now we can do that here, or you can do that. It's totally up to you and your budget and the size of the box and how many boxes you want and what material you want it to be made in. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at me actually assembling the box. So as you can see, this box is very simple to build, very simple to cut, and that's the way I like to design projects for my customers. Because the last thing I want is a whole bunch of different pieces that all look the same but all fit in a specific way. For my customers, normally what I do is I actually just make each piece so obvious that it can't go anywhere else, or it can only fit one way. And I think that's the hallmark of a really good design. Not just for me assembling it, because then I can't screw it up, but also for my customers who sometimes want to assemble it themselves. The advantage with having mass personalization and customization is that, let's say I had 100 of these boxes to do, and I want each one to have a different name on the surface. We can do that while we're making the box. Any part of it could have been totally customized. So I could have cut out the back here, stencil if I wanted to. You know, any surface of the box could have been personalized in any way. So you could think of this as maybe like a box for tools, a box for weddings, a box for corporate events, a box for basically anything. So if you want a custom box, any shape, any size, any use, contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll make an awesome box for you.